If you want to stop the auto-renewal feature for your Expedia subscription, follow these straightforward steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Expedia website and log into your account using your email and password. Ensure you are accessing the account associated with the subscription you wish to manage. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the home page under the profile name or icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Subscriptions, Memberships, or Billing. Click on this section to view your current subscriptions and their renewal status. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Within the subscription details, locate the option for auto-renewal. There should be a toggle switch or checkbox that indicates whether auto-renewal is enabled. Click to disable this option. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that auto-renewal has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can effectively stop the auto-renewal for your Expedia subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Expedia customer service for further assistance.